So ISO, you go higher, it gets brighter, you go lower, it gets darker, but there is a caveat. The higher ISO number that you go, you may get digital noise, you may get grain in your image, and you may get snow. So that's when you get little artifacts or little dots on your image or little grain on your image because you're digitally enhancing and digitally brightening up your image. So be careful because that grain isn't really super pleasing to the eye and you really want a nice clean image, especially when you're telling a story. A lot of cameras today do have bigger sensors, so it allows you to go to a higher ISO without getting that digital grain. So if you don't really know and it's a new camera to you, I would just go to kind of in a dimly lit room. I would play with your ISO setting and see where that grain starts really coming in strong. And then I would probably never go to that when you're shooting. Unless you're trying to create a desired effect or something, which, you know, it's your creative storytelling. You never know what you're gonna try to do. But if you're trying to get a nice clean story, I would just try to keep your ISO where you have a nice clean frame and image without the digital grain and noise.